class, and I'm Professor Didi. Today we're going to explain to you what atoms is, first of all, and then we can explain to you how electricity is created, and then we'll show you 2 experiments to tell you more about static electricity. First of all, let's start with atoms. Everything is made out of atoms. This table is made out of atoms. I am partly made out of atoms. This basket is made out of atoms. Everything you can think of is made out of atoms. But they're so small you cannot see them. Say this is an atom.
Atoms are made out of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons are these tiny green, just pretend these are tiny, tiny, tiny. And the red stuff are tiny and the yellow stuff are tiny. They are all part of an atom. Yellow is the protons, red is the neutrons, and green is the electrons. When it moves around the atom, it actually is not electricity, but when it jumps off to the other atom, just like very fast, like that, that's called electricity. So when you get the balloon, when you have the balloon and all the electrons from the atoms go onto the balloon and it touches it's very close to the can, it's made out of aluminum, so it will come closer and closer and closer because it's also electromagnetism. Now, we will show you a couple of experiments made from normal electricity from homes. All you need for my experiment is a can, a blown-up balloon, and a lovely partner, and some lovely hair. So, get your balloon and rub it on your hair for at least 20 seconds. You have to do it for 20 seconds so enough electrons are going to the balloon. And if you're using like a big one, you at least make sure you do it for 40 seconds. And now, if it works, it's a good success. But if it doesn't, oh well. Maybe a little teeny bit longer. And now, put it on. Try and put it closer. Just a little bit. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
In our practice, it did work, but I don't understand why. But it does work, this thing, because of magnetism. It's supposed to work, but it's okay if it doesn't work. And this experiment might not work either, but that's okay because we know it does work. Because when we practice, it did work. So it doesn't really matter if it doesn't work.
So I'll try doing it by myself, and then if it doesn't work, well, it's life. When I say stop, she will put it on top of the paper, and maybe the paper will stand up all by itself.
It's okay if this doesn't work, because in our practice it works.
We will also send you a link to a video that has it.
So you get the point if it doesn't work.
Ooh, it works.
And it's working.
And it's working. We should try that with a pen. See?
Okay.
It worked.
And you see, before there was lots more paper than just this, but you can get the point.
And now we'll see if it works here a little bit. Now she'll try it one last time with my hair. And let's see. It does not work. It works.
It's moving a tiny bit.
It's moving a tiny bit.
But you can get the point before it like rolled. It's okay. But at least you know how it's supposed to work. It's okay if it doesn't work, but you know it does work.
Okay.
Great.
We want to explain to you how it will work, because when you rub the balloon through your hair, invisible electrons that have negative charge build up to the surface of the balloon, and it's called static electricity. which also means non-moving electricity. So it's like non-moving electricity, and electrons have the power to pull every light object on this earth. And yeah, and a connection I have when I was in my home country, I usually jump on my trampoline and rub my feet on it, and every time I go down the ladder I get zapped, which is called static electricity. Thanks for watching. Bye!